Hey guys, this is Sean McCloskey here. I'm coming to you from Utah on a fun little jeeping trip that we take once a year with our leadership boardroom coaching members. Been out here for a few days already, got about another week to go, but I wanted to invite you all to October 27th, 29th. We're doing a business vision workshop right there in Detroit. And if you missed the last RIA meeting where I came and spoke and shared a few things, I'm basically going to show you how to build a business that allows you to live the life that you want to live and have fun in the process instead of being a slave to your business. So if you like doing whatever you like doing, it could be this, maybe you're not into this, I don't know. I love it, and we're out here with some friends who love it. But whatever it is that you're into, you need to have time to do it, and need to have a business that runs in the background while you're out doing those things. So that's what I'm going to come show you guys how to do. This has taken me, I've been teaching this stuff for 18 years now, and I've been coaching a lot of people through this process over the years. So I'm going to show you the exact process. We're going to roll our sleeves up. It is a workshop. So you're going to leave there with a crystal clear vision and an action plan on exactly how you're going to get there in your real estate business. So I hope you join us. It is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I know that is a damper for some of you who have day jobs. Most of you want to quit those day jobs anyway. So if that's the case, get your butts there and come learn how to quit that job or learn how to build the business in a way that lets you live life so that your business serves you instead of the other way around. And that's what we're going to show you. So come spend 3 days with us. It's only $297. You can thank Wendy Patton for that. She's gotten this down to cover the cost of the hotel, and that's it. I've foregone any profit so that I can just come and share the message with you guys. It's a huge passion of mine, and if you come spend 3 days with us, you will not regret it. So $297 for one person, $397 if you want to bring two people, brings the cost down even more, and you can sign up right here on the page somewhere. I hope to see you guys there. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm going to bring my team, some of which who's here on the trip with me, and we'll be showing you guys how to build a business just like this. All right, that's it for now. I will see you all the 27th of October. Thanks.